Hey guys, it's Wednesday, April 29th. Just a quick reminder, you don't have school on Friday, May 1st or on the following Monday. So this weekend you'll have a 4-day weekend. Your first thing that you need to do is go to the motif mini lesson. You can find it right here on the agenda slide. Otherwise, it's down in your independent reading folder as well in the mini lessons folder, in this literary elements mini lessons. Um, so go through, watch that first. It's like 3 minutes or something. Then you have another reading day. So make sure that you're looking at your reading schedule that you set up and what your reading goals are. And then when you're finished reading, go through and fill this out. Remember, you need to have your books finished by May 8th so that we can start working on the rest of your project. Your first draft for your workshop days will be due on May 5th, and your second draft of something else will be due on May 8th as well. So make sure you're keeping those deadlines in mind as you are going through all of this. Tomorrow, I'll have office hours again, so make sure that you are using those if you have any questions about this project at all or about your book or about life in general. Office hours will be from 9 to 10 and then from 2 to 3. So if you need to talk to me about anything, make sure that you get your name signed up for that so that we can get your questions answered. Let me know what you guys need. Otherwise, have a great day.